Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to switch between dark mode and light mode on your phone. Want a cleaner dark look or a brighter classic theme on your Android device? You can change your phone's display mode in just a few taps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone, then scroll down and tap Wallpaper and Personalization. Step 2. Now tap on Home Screen Settings to continue. This section includes your display customization options. Step 3. Select Display and Brightness from the menu. Here you can manage your screen appearance settings. Before we continue, subscribe now for more Android tips and smartphone customization tutorials every week. Step 4. Choose Dark Mode if you want a darker interface, or select Light Mode for the standard bright theme. Step 5. Exit the Settings menu after selecting your mode. Boom! Your Android theme is now updated successfully. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick and practical Android tutorials every week.